Oil and gas both traded strongly bullish with the rising tensions, with the rising conflict here. We have seen oil now hitting the highs at 72.2 and natural gas is also moved towards 3.88 levels. What to expect from oil and gas with the US session? Are we looking forward for this rally to continue, and if yes, how high it's gonna be? Way to enter, way to exit, how to profit, we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you twice a day updates. And here not only I am going to give you the levels, but also going to give you the reasoning behind each and every level. And this is the only channel to do so twice a day. Thus subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications, do like, share and comment, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into oil, followed with gas. Watch till the end. Oil on the hourly chart. See, look at the move here. After this decline here, it has formed a good base support at $70 levels. This we have discussed that 70 and 69.7 should offer a maximum support. Now see, after the rise, it has retraced and it is now looking upward. So now once it trades beyond 72.5, 72.6 and 73, the same levels which we had discussed earlier in the day, this should hold good, this should hold strong. Once it trades beyond 73, more bullishness should prevail and then we can aim for 74 and 75 zone. See, after forming the twin top, it has retraced and it is now trading bullish here. Even if you see it is staying beyond 72, you can initiate a buying entry. Expect 72.4, 72.6 as the first target. Stochastic getting overbought. MACD after a retracement has crossed over, showing signs of bullishness. The RSI is rising, which is also supportive of further bullishness. On the 2-hour chart, similar is the observation after the rise, the retracement, and now it is trying to break out beyond 72. You can stay with the buys and expect it to move towards 72.4, 72.6, the strongest one, and then 73 levels. After 73, more bullishness should prevail here. Stochastic rising, the MACD is trying to cross over for a buy. See, it is crossed over at the top, retrace sharp, and now crossing over for a buy, which is a good sign for the bulls. RSI is also showing little bullishness. On the 3-hour charts, when you look at similar observation, see, taking the support from 20 period, now trying to break out here. Beyond 72 and 72.5, 72.6, you can expect more bullishness to prevail. See, it has retraced sharp and it is willing to edge higher. However, I'll say 72.5, 72.6 should be a very, very good resistance, and then 73. Once these two levels are taken, you can stay bullish. We can look forward to a greater rise. As long as oil trades below 73 today, you should be cautious with the buys. Stochastic at top, the MACD is bearish here, trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over, it is still staying bearish. The RSI is looking upwards and trading higher. On the 4-hour chart, similar observation. See, taking the support from 20 period. Now this 20 period is sitting at $70 levels. So for the day, 70, 69.7 should offer a maximum support, and only if you see oil trading below 69.7, we can stay with the sells. Expect 69.2, 68.6 and 68. Yesterday also we have maintained this. Now notice what's happening. After the drop, it is under retracement. At best, once it trades beyond 73, the aim should be towards 74. But I'll say till 73, oil has to be traded with caution. It can reverse. It is getting slightly overbought here. Stochastic rising. The MACD has crossed over at the top, and look at the downside. The downside, it is wide open. However, it is trying to just converge, and see, little convergence itself, but the price is higher and it has a potential. Imagine if it crosses over and forms a double top, by that time prices would be above 75 again. RSI almost staying flat. Coming to daily. Now see, on the daily charts, what has happened here, we can see it has started the week with a gap up. It has erased all the gains. It has traded bearish. Preceding couple of candles comes with bigger tails, suggests that there was support from downside. Now today it has started the day on a slight bullish note, which is support at 70. It has bounced back and now coming towards yesterday's high. Now it is important for us to observe whether it breaches the yesterday's high, that is 72.5, 72.6 and edges higher. If it stays beyond 73, then there is a possibility that we can see a pull towards 74 level. Till then, it's difficult here. Stochastic, if you look at it, was overbought, trying to cool down. The MACD trading with extreme divergence. It might try to converge, which suggests there is a potential for further drop. RSI just coming out of the overbought zone. Now see how easily under a few minutes we have analyzed the complete charts, understood the levels as well. And if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my 33rd mentorship batch starting 30th of June. Do not miss this opportunity. Learning is the only investment which can give you profits throughout your life. Join this journey and enjoy your training experience. And now, if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries, and Once you have your trades in place, it is important to have a trusted partner which can offer you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions, and easier withdrawals from across the globe. You can find the trusted partner link also in the channel and video description. Now, on the buy side, I will recommend you to buy if you see oil trading above 72. When you see the lower price above 72, initiate a buying, expect it to move towards 72.4, 72.6. This is the first target zone, 73 is the next. If it stays beyond 73, chances will be high that we will see prices hitting 73.8, 74 as the next targets. And if 74 is taken, 75 is a must very, very soon. Chances are less, but yes, these are markets, these are getting sensitive. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 71.2 levels. Expect 70.8, 70.2, 60 and 69.7 levels. Only and only if you see oil trading below 69.7, expect more bearishness to prevail, and then we will look forward to 69.2, 68.6 and 68. Below 68 is gonna deliver a massive down move, chances of which also appears to be less. Hence, take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Let's move to natural gas. Natural gas today edged higher, taking the support from 3.8. We have discussed it several times that once the price stays above 3.8, more bullishness should prevail here, and now it has come down towards 3.88. Now, if you see the lower price is trading above 3.88, you can initiate a buying entry, expect it to move towards 3.9 to 3.93 at the first target zone, and then in fact 3.98 $4 level should be seen here. The support is now created beautifully in between 3.83 and $3.8 zone, which should act as a stronger support here. Right now, you can see after the rise, price is trying to reverse, which is not a good sign for the bulls. Yes, it is trading with divergence from the 20 period, which also calls for it to show a retracement towards 20 period, sitting in between 3.83 $3.8 zone. Stochastic looking downwards, MACD has hit a high, it is willing to cross over for price staying in the overbought zone here. It has to cool down soon. Let's see if natural gas tries to take a dip from here. Coming to 2 hour chart, on the 2 hour charts, likewise, see here, you can see it has formed a very good support now at 3.83 zone, and now we have seen bullishness. The current candle also delivering higher lows, higher highs, though you can see the bullishness getting diminished, but we can expect 3.9 to 93 here as well. Moving averages are trading with divergence and staying the stochastic overbought. The MACD is also at the highs here. We have to wait for a crossover. See, it has delivered good waves. And if you look at the last few moves, it tries to reverse from this zone. So potential of reversal exists. If it crosses over, consider this as a reversal. RSI back to overbought zone here. Coming to 3 hour charts. Now see the 3 hour charts here. Diminishing bullishness is one concern here, and higher lows is another observation. So if you see now, net gas is staying below 3.85, that is the point of time you can take a sell and expect it to drop a little, but I will say 3.83, 3.8 is going to offer a maximum support. The moving average is and the crossover here is a very good sign for the bulls though. Stochastic overbought, the MACD trading with divergence and bullishness, the RSI is staying overbought. On the 4 hour chart, we have similar observation. The good thing here is the preceding to preceding candle has formed a base, and then it has also formed a base at 3.8, which is a very good sign for the bulls. It appears 3.9 to 93 can be achieved here, and then we can aim for 3.984 dollar zone as the next targets. But notice I've shared something earlier. Notice the waves here, and this is almost at the cusp of it. 3.9 to 93 should be the best of best, and once it trades beyond 3.9 to 93, then you can say now more bullishness should prevail, else it is under retracement. And see, for a complete reversal, it has to break beyond $4 zone. The crossover in the moving averages is definitely a good sign for the bulls. The stochastic overbought, MACD trading with divergence and staying bullish, the RSI just entering into overbought zone here. Coming to the daily chart. On the daily chart, see what has happened here. It appears to be delivering a breakout, but not until 3.9 to 3.93 is taken. See what is happening. You can see this wave here, and then a reversal confirmation is above $3.984 zone. Notice what has happened. It is shown a reversal. It has given a gap up, and since then traded bullish. Today again it has formed a good base and now trying to rise. So now this is pretty clear. 3.83, 3.8 zone need to be taken in order to confirm reversal. Till then it is staying bullish. You can buy here at 3.88 and expect it to move towards 3.9 to 3.93, the first target zone, and 3.984, the second target zone. Beyond $4 levels, it is to be treated as strongly bullish, and this should be treated as a breakout, because see what is happening on the daily chart. The rise, the retracement, sideways movement, and if it gives you a breakout, we can aim for 4.2 4.4 zone very, very soon. The stochastic rising, the MACD on the daily charts is rising, which is again a very good sign supportive of further bullishness. The RSI is rising. So looking at this, The selling entry today in net gas is only below 3.83, where you can expect 3.8. And if it trades below 3.8, 3.76, 3.72 should be there as the next targets. Below 3.72, it must trade bearish, while the buying entries are pretty clear at 3.88, where we can expect 3.9293 as the first target zone, 3.984 as the second. Staying beyond 4, it is going to deliver strong bullish momentum in the next few sessions, where 4.2, 4.4 to be seen. Trade accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.